Hello there, welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. Today we are heading for a day trip to Mahabalipuram. Let me show you the scenes at Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is a very special place for us because we stay very close to Mahabs. We call it Mahabs, by the way. And it's basically a coastal gem of Chennai. The people, when they want to take a short break or like a one-day break, then what we do is just head to Mahabs, spend half a day there, eat good seafood, watch the sunset. It's just amazing. You know, I'll show you all the scenes at Mahabalipuram in a short while. So a lot of craftsmen are here. On the sides, everybody is doing stone carving and I wanted to buy chappal, but not sure if it is open.
Mahabalipuram is also called Mamalapuram. Arjuna's Penance is also part of UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Mahabalipuram. The elephant carvings at Arjuna's Penance is considered the best stone carvings in India. It's a massive rock carving. The story behind it is that Arjuna was praying to Lord Shiva for strength and blessings.
You?
Click by.
I'm recording. Okay, I'm back again. This is called the Lord Krishna's Butterball because it looks like a dollop of butter, but apparently there's no relation to Lord Krishna. So that's the fact. Ambe ko paisa do.
Mahabalipuram is a treasure trove of ancient temples, sculptures and carvings that tell the stories of gods and goddesses, kings and queens. As I walked around, the carvings made me imagine the life and times of people from long ago.
So we are here at the famous Santana Beach Restaurant. This is a very famous place and the food here is very, very yummy. So let's find out. Okay, so we are here in one of the famous, as I told you, one of the famous restaurants in Mahabalipuram. We have Babu, the owner of Santana. He's going to explain some of the fishes here. And Babu, welcome.
Thank you.
சொல்லுங்க என்ன இன்னைக்கு ஸ்பெஷல்
ஸ்பெஷல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ஸோ லைவ் லாப்ஸ்டர்
நைஸ்
லைவ் லாப்ஸ்டர்ஸ் ஓ லைவ் கிராப் ஸோ லைவ் கிராப் இட்ஸ் tiger prawns இட்ஸ் you have the fish
red snapper இல்ல
red snapper red snapper. They say parai. They say it's a coconut fish.
Coconut fish.
Yeah,
okay.
Coconut fishes.
Okay. See, just look at the fish here. It's all fresh and it's live. That's the best part. So when you come here, you will get all fresh seafood. Now we are heading straight into the kitchen to make some yummy food. Follow me. Calamari, tiger prawns, fish, red snapper and lobster. Now this is what we are going to eat today.
Santana special Tawa Masala. He's making for now Tawa fish for cook. Okay. Garlic, ginger, chili powder, cardamom, coriander powder, salt, vinegar, curd, all mixing that. Fish curry.
Folks, just look at these dishes. It's just amazing, yummy, totally worth it, I feel. Now take a look at all the dishes here, right from here. Tiger prawns, grilled fish, crab, fish curry, your butter garlic lobster, tawa lobster, calamari. I think Babu has been excellent in showcasing all his dishes. Thank you so much, Babu, for this wonderful opportunity and showing us your restaurant.
Enjoy your food there.
Thank you so much.
It's nice pleasure. Welcome to
Santana
Beach Restaurant. Tawa fish, fish curry, lobster, crab and tiger prawns, calamari. Enjoy for your food. Thank you.
Santana is one of our favorite places to have lunch when we really want to unwind on a Sunday. We come here to chill. Let's try the Golden Fried Calamari. Squeeze in some lemon. Okay, the special butter garlic sauce. Fresh and yummy. If you like crispy, you can eat it like that. Let me try the tawa fish. This looks really yummy with all the masalas. I'm telling you guys, you should come here. If you are visiting Chennai, Mahabs it is, and Santana. Trying the lobster, butter garlic lobster. Really very nice, juicy, soft and yummy. Now I'm going to enjoy this awesome seafood. See you guys in a bit. Had a very nice meal. There's so many dishes. I'm full. Now it's time to head back to other places. So we have reached the Show Temple. It's really hot and humid now. Let's explore.
While walking towards the Show Temple, there is a shopping market along the streets, and it's really beautiful to see the different little things that you can buy from there.
I'm at the Show Temple. This is a heritage temple with a beachside view. So let's explore. Ta-da! Just check it out.
The Show Temple was built during the 6th and 8th century, and it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. This temple was hidden in the sea for many years, and one day it suddenly emerged. During the 16th century, the seawater receded some distance. It was then that this temple came to light. Apparently, this temple came out of sound and water. This whole temple is made of many beautiful stones and granite blocks, and it has been classified as UNESCO's World Heritage Site since 1984. So I would highly recommend you to come to the Show Temple in Tamil Nadu and visit this beautiful structure.
So Mahabalipuram is famous for their beautiful stone carvings. They still follow the ancient Shilpa Shastra. So you will find a lot of idols like Buddha, elephants, Hanuman and snakes. Yeah, it's just wonderful to see so many different idols here. Take a look. And that's a wrap of our one-day trip in Mahabalipuram. Tiring day, but really nice to see so many different things. We keep doing this once in a while just to refresh our memory. A big thank you to Babu, the owner of Santana Restaurant, for hosting us and giving us such a delicious meal. I had a good day trip. Vignesh, did you enjoy? Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.